Hello. In this tutorial video, I will share with you how to use the group name filter on the TIDES Ocean Trash database. I'm logged into TIDES, and I'll click on View Reports. The map will reload, and up here in the green bar, you'll see some filter options. You can start by filtering for date. You'll see it presets to the last 6 months worth of data. So I'll just leave that there for this example. And then the group name filter is really neat. This is where you can go in and after your cleanup, search for any identifying words that you may have instructed your volunteers or your site captains to use at your cleanup event to help tag your data to your organization or your event. So for an example, I'll just start typing in Amex for us. That's the way that we abbreviate cleanups that we do with American Express. And so I just started typing that in to the group name filter there. And I should note that spelling matters, but capitalization does not. So you can see I did all lowercase and these uppercase options still came up. I can go through this list and I can select individual ones. Or I can go in and select all at the top. Maybe all of these are American Express cleanups that I'm looking for. So I've selected all, and then you just want to make sure you hit the submit button. And then you'll see that the data filter for those, it looks like 8 cleanups that took place with American Express. The different color pins are just showing you that the reddish orange were manually entered data. So someone went into the system after the fact, after the cleanup, and entered the cleanup totals. And then the blue pins are actually showing people that used the CleanSwell app to enter their data, all still using that group name or that identifying acronym of AMEX. You can clear that filter. I'll show one more example. We have one partner that uses VOL, the first 3 letters of their location, their county, as their identifying word. And then anything else beyond that, the user can kind of further identify their own unique cleanup. I'm going to select just a handful of these. Just as an example, I've selected 10. I'm going to hit submit. And then I can see and I can zoom in on anyone that used that group name. And this is actually the chunk of entries that I'm looking for in this county in Florida. And then on the right-hand side, I can just open up any of these menus. I can select a report and it will show me that report, but only with the group names that I've identified. So it'll warn you that you have that group name filter applied, and then the summary data that it's showing you are just from those entries.